backs up against the wall, backs up against the wall. Backs up against the wall, backs up against the wall. All right, pop quiz, how do you kill zombies?
You love them back to life.
That hasn't worked so far. There's headshots and headshots only. Also make sure you keep those equipment pieces high and tight. You're going to be moving around a lot. The city is basically overrun. You are the last hope. With that in mind, listen to your squad leaders. Are you guys ready to go? Let's go, go, go!
Bring it in, bring it in! Right here, second white line, backs against the wall. A little more, a little more, a little more. Perfect, backs against the wall, backs against the wall. Let's go, line it up, on the wall, on the wall. Bring it in, bring it in. That don't fit. Alright guys, listen up. Main objective tonight, get to the sewer, destroy the main source of the outbreak. You have unlimited ammo, use it. Shoot the zombies in the head, stay 5 feet away from the infected at all times. Biometric signs, yellow sign, green circles, shoot it, earns your extra points. Let's go, stay close, follow me. Go, go, go!
And destroy the source. Over here. I need some help. They got us surrounded. We need to make it to the back of the car. Dead end. Here, we'll have to go around. Go around, go around. Whoa! This way, on me, this way. All right, hold. Where's the rest of your squad? Where's everybody else? Right there. All right. It looks like there's only 3 of you left. Shoot that zombie. Go through to the metro. That's where the infected source we gotta destroy. Get out of here. Let's go. Check it out. You're going to go around this helicopter, get through the metro to the sewer, destroy the source, go!
Gun off, gun still! Off in the metro! Off the hill! I'm talking about gun still!
Now,
follow me this way. Line it up down here. Line it up, back to the wall. Line it up. Against the wall. All right, eyes up, guns down. Listen to my words. Guns down. If you shoot up, the bullet will come back down and hit you in your head. All right, the source of the infection is just in here. You get in there and destroy it. Can you do it for me?
Yes.
All right, stay low. Move out.
Let's go! Right through there! You guys have made it so far.
How many kills? How many kills?
Which one is it?
Okay.
7?
Yeah, there you go.